its normal color. Can you look at its eyes and look? Get the bag out of the way. Can you look and see the coloration of the snake and look at its eyes? Back to it. Normally he's bright reddish, brown, chocolate. He got black borders on his blotches. And you said, look at, and his eyes are like real bluish. Can you tell what he's doing? Look at his skin. This is a corn snake or red rat snake. They're found here. They eat rats. Farmers see these snakes and they leave them alone because they eat the rats that eat the crop. So he's going to shed his skin. You can see how milky his skin is. When he's usually really bright oranges red. Usually really pretty. But this is a corn snake. They get about 5 feet long, and they are native to South Carolina. But I wanted to bring him to show you because he's in shed. Anybody in the back? Can you all see him in the back there?
Mom, the hayride! Can we touch it? The hayride is here! Mommy, the hayride is here! The hayride! Can we go on the hayride?
I think it's almost.
Aww!
Hey, y'all, see.
I'm gonna stay here and look at some snakes. I like snakes. A python.
No, they don't live there. It's mostly showing one.
I wonder. Mom.
These are snakes that actually live in South Carolina.
I wonder if he would let us touch him. But I wouldn't only separate it if we touched it. Oh! Oh, no.
Now this one is named after what it does. It's not from North America. It's not from South America. It's from Africa.
Africa, what is it? Ball python.
What does it look like it's doing?
Bowling.
Ball.
The head is protected inside because it's afraid. This is called a ball python. They put their head in the middle of their body and get up in a ball so nothing can eat them. But it's a ball python. They're from Africa. They don't get real big like the Burmese. You see, they're loose in South Florida. These get about 5 feet. That's as big as they get. Yeah, Veda.
Sadie,
a hawk? Yes. Hawks like to eat snakes. But this is a ball python. This is rodents. They live in termite mounds in Africa.
That is a
Once
big.
again, they call them ball pythons because they get
That
the
is
ball.
a big snake.
And that's how they protect themselves.
That is a big snake. That is a big snake.
Yeah.
What does it feel like, baby? Yeah, come on. Yesterday he wouldn't ball up. He was ball up.
Yeah, exactly.
For some reason. Snakes help us like it does. You can't. You get it?
I don't want to touch the edge when it gets up there.
I want to get in.
Hey, he wants to get in. They grow and grow and grow and grow just like you do. But they eventually stop just like you'll eventually stop, right? Yeah, it's a big snake.
It feels like the other snake. Oh, wow.
This is a ball python.
Ball python. Okay, go ahead, touch it. I like that. Go ahead. Touch it, Sawyer. How big is the head?
Oh, it's pretty big.
Get them to touch them on? You want to keep watching from ready to go? Mikey! Okay, we can't even just do it. Snake, Mikey?
Leaving 2 minutes.
2 minutes.
Okay.
Run out and walk out. 2 minutes to get there.
If he touches the ball python, please use some of this. I'd rather be safe. I never had a problem with them. We'll start with you all.
Go down. Daddy, go down.
We're going to go ahead and come with.
Daddy, come feed it! Daddy! Go!
There you go. There you go. Now, if you see one in the woods, don't pick it up, okay? Very good. Thank you for asking. What does it feel like? Rubber. You need something? Okay.
He's flipping.
There you go, baby.
Are these empty? All right.
I need a break anyway.
You like her?
What kind of snake is that?
You get it?
What kind of snake is that?
Ball python.
There you go.
I just picked everyone. Now, you might not want to put that up there, baby.
Okay.
You mad or something?
Thank you.
Sure.
Oh, he's coming out of his shell, so to speak, isn't he?
Normally he's pretty mellow, but
Any questions on snakes? Any questions? Yes, sir. How they survive? By staying underneath ground when it's real cold or real hot, and by coming out when the weather's good, and by eating things every once in a while. They don't eat like you do. They don't eat every day. Sometimes they only eat once a month or so. Bye-bye. Thank you all. Thank you all for coming out. I appreciate it. And enjoy the afternoon.
I have a question about
Yes, yes, ma'am.
like when do they shed?
When they eat something and they grow, they only shed about 4 or 5 times a year. That's about it.